Good looking classic here, 1935 Ford Tudor sedan, 4-passenger. Flathead power underneath the hood. It's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Technician stated this one drives out beautiful. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road also. But the technician said this thing will go 60 miles an hour down the road, and it's smooth. Take a look at the chrome up front. That grill, beautiful. Headlight bezels, dual horns. All right, still pictures on this car so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay. Check out the undersides. It looks like the exhaust is practically new on it, extremely clean. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Spoked wire wheels. Tires are in good shape. You can see kind of a moss, drab green, classic look for a car of this era to me. Great looking color on this car. And it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find a little touch-up spot or an imperfection here or there, but overall, this paint really shows well. It's kind of a tan or taupe-colored interior. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end, and Jason's going to take it for a drive. Rear-mounted spare. Previous owner noted there is a little storage area behind the back seat. There's a jack back there. Take a look at the rear bumper and the chrome. There's a toggle switch underneath the dash for turn signals in it. Those are working. 6-volt system yet. Again, newer exhaust. Take a look at the undersides. It also has a Stewart Warner gas heater. Technician that looked at it said that is working. Mentioned the fuel gauge being in op. We'll need a new gauge, and wipers are in op. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through those still pics, and if you like these mid-30s or heck anywhere in the 30s Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right up our showroom floor. The crank for opening the window up does work. That's in working order. The vent lever underneath the dash, that's all working. It's one of those cars, get in it, turn the key, go, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There's a good look at the door panel, nice shape. Got some rubber flooring up front. Of course, the push button start on the floor right down there. 3-speed manual on the floor. Seating surface is nice shape. And look at all the room in the back and for getting in and out when you fold the driver's seat forward. You want to take your friends, family, kids right along with you. There they go in the back seat. Horn works great. That'll get them out of the way for you. Toggle switch for the turn signal right there. So on this one, all we want to do is push this lever down. You can see that. Get it clear. And then push starter down on the floor. And it fires right up. Pretty stock looking dash. There's that heater I was talking about. This thing has great throttle response. A little old school rumble coming out of that flathead. Slip back here and listen to this. Sounds good. Be a fun car to take out and drive, no doubt about that. All right, let me pause this a second. Again, look at how good of the shape that chrome grill's in. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop up one of these door panels, take a peek underneath the hood. All right, I decided let's pop open both door panels. There it is, flatty. V8 power. Look at how smooth that thing's running. Single carb. Nice and clean and tidy underneath there too. Frame on this would have the VIN stamped into it. It'll be right down about right there. You're going to find the VIN located, and you'll see that in the still pictures. Wow. It's ready to go. Turn the key. Go have some fun in this 1935 Ford Tudor sedan, 4-passenger car. Good looking. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today, let's take a ride in a 1935 Ford sedan. A two-door with a lot of room in the back to comfortably sit. Beautiful interior cloth seating, buckets up front and a bench in the back. The back windows do roll down. This is a manual transmission. Easy to shift, very nice feeling clutch. This car started up great and idled nicely right away. I just pulled the choke out a little bit, which is right here. There is a clock in the dash right there. It reads midnight, so it may not read correctly, but it's there. Our amps are charging well over halfway, that's good. Temperature gauge is a vial filling with red fluid. So cool. It's about a quarter of the way up. The fuel gauge is similar, however, it's a little dark and hard to see in this lighting. The oil pressure is showing about 25 to 30 psi, and the speedometer is working, telling me I'm doing 45 miles an hour. It feels about right. Beautiful headliner in a little bit darker beige. Sun visors. This car has a great ride on the road. An original look, especially on the interior. Rubber floor mats. Brakes work well, nice and smooth. We'll go down to second gear for the traffic circle. Original looking steering wheel. Corners as you would expect. Again, just a nice, smooth and shifting car. Check out this 35 Ford sedan at UniqueClassicCars.com.